Hari Om Sarvebhyah. Simple Sanskritam by Surya Kumari. Today we shall see some of the neuter gender words. That is called Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. In the previous videos I told you about Strilingam and then Pullingam. Now Napumsakalingam. The words are as follows. Pustakam, book. Pushpam, flower. Patram, paper or leaf. Patram. And Jalam, water. Lalatam, forehead. Mukham, mouth. Netram, eyes. Netra means eye. Upanetram, specs. Upanetram. Udaram, stomach. See, all these words end with sound. Udaram. Chibukam, chin. Chibukam. Karatalam, palm. Karatalam means palm. Then Raktam, blood. Mandiram, temple. Gruham, house. Hrudayam and Kankatam, comb. Kankatam, we comb our hair. Kankatam. Nagaram, city. Vimanam, flight, aeroplane. Vimanam. Lokayanam, local bus. Prucham, prucham, tail. Tail of a dog. Prucham, any animal. Prucham means tail. And then Aranyam, forest. Aranyam. Sikharam, top of the hill. Durgam, fort. Durgam. Peetham, a seat on which we sit, or a board which we use for any purpose. That is called Peetham. Karavastram, kerchief. Karavastram, kerchief. Yutakam, shirt. Yutakam, shirt. Urukam, pant. Yutakam, shirt. Urukam, pant. Antarvastram. Antarvastram. Antaryutakam. Antaryutakam means banyan. Padamshukam. Padamshukam, pajama. Padamshukam. Kankanam. Kankanam, bangle. Kankanani, bangles. Kankanani. And Suvasakam, scent. Suvasakam, scent. Pada syutaha. Pada syutaha. Pada syutaha, it is in Pullingam. That is socks. For socks we say Pada syutaha. Karnalolakam. Karnalolakam means earrings. Karnabharanam also we can say. Jewel. Karnabharanam. Nasikabharanam. Abharanam. Jewelry. Anguliyakam, which we wear for our finger. Anguliyakam. Anantaram tilakam. Tilakam. Snana gruham, bathroom. Puja gruham, puja room. Vatayanam. Vatayanam means window. Dwaram, door. Vyajanam, fan. Karavyajanam, hand fan. Vyajanam, remember this one. Talam, talam means lock. Anantaram Kridanakam, toy. Kridanakam, toy. Kridanakani, toys. The children play with the toys. Kridanakani. Anantaram Achadakam. Achadakam means bedsheet. Achadakam, bedsheet or blanket. Bedsheet or blanket. Achadakam. Upadhanam. Upadhanam, pillow. Upadhanam. Phalakam, board. Phalakam means board. Blackboard we say Krishna Phalakam. Blackboard means Krishna Phalakam. Krishna means black. Krishna Varnam, black color. Sweta Varnam, white. White color. Sweta Varnam. So white board, Sweta Phalakam, Krishna Phalakam. Krishna Phalakam. So these are the some of the words in Napumsakalingam. This is what I told you, all in singular number. For plural number, Bahuvachanam, we have to say Pustakam, Pustakani, Patram, Patrani, Pushpam, Pushpani. All the words come like that. Gruham, Gruhani. Netram, Netrani. Anantaram Karavastram, Karavastrani. Vastram, Vastrani. Like that, whichever we need to speak in Bahuvachanam, we have to say Ani, Pustakani, Phalani, Phalam, Phalani. Phalam means fruit. Phalani, fruits. So in this way we have to say in Bahuvachanam. Bahuvachanam means plural number. Yanam, Yanani. So all the words come like that only. Please remember and note down all the words. Today I'll stop. Aham samapayami. Punarvilamaha. Jaitu Bharatam. Jaitu Samskritam. We have to spread Samskritam all over. And please subscribe my channel to learn Samskritam, and also share with your friends and relatives. And Dhanyavadaha. Punarvilamaha.